So we've got a furnace running, but no flames. First thing I do is turn off the switch. Turn it back on and see what happens. That way we can watch our cycle begin. Flue kicks on, that's what we want. Right now we're waiting for our spark to ignite, for our flames to come on, for the gas valve to click, for anything to happen showing that there's some progression here. Check our switches. That one good. That one good. Nothing happens. Code 3. Let's go see what a code 3 is. Okay, so we've checked the usual spots, right? It doesn't tell us what our code 3 is in any of this, so what we need to do now is we gotta go and we gotta check our model number and our serial number. We can go and find out what's going on. After a Google, turns out a code 3 is a bad safety switch or rollout switch. Okay, so I was playing around and something odd just happened. I put the gas valve on off and the system started. I also banged on it a few times with the end of my screwdriver. Sometimes gas valves can get stuck and that's all they need to open. Okay, after playing with our gas valve, we shut everything off again, we restarted the system, and this time we have a steady green light, which means that we're working properly right now, and this thing actually may have a good chance on lighting. Let's see. And there we have it. Okay, so now that we're lit and working, let's just review what we did real quick, because it looks like I just got lucky, but I didn't just get lucky here. I went in for a heat call, and within 5 minutes we have the heat working. So how did we do that? What did we discover? Okay, so the first thing that I did is I touched those switches, the sensors up top. They can be triggered very easily. They can go off from combustion, overheating. All types of stuff can set them off. We see them set off in dryer rooms as well. Sometimes it tricks them and sets them off. Either way, they're super cheap parts. They're open for a reset. We are going to replace those parts. We can't just count on the fact, that we fixed it and everything's fine. We got them going for the night, but we do need to replace those parts eventually. Also, that gas valve should be replaced as well. It did stick once. It would probably stick again. I don't know if it was the gas valve or the sensors that actually caused the problem, but those are two of the most basic things that I would check walking into any job, and you could too.